going on, everybody? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack, and I'm back at you again with another video. I'd like to welcome everyone back to the channel. How y'all doing today? What is going on with you guys? Anyone watching for the first time, what's up with you? I'd like to welcome you to the channel as well. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, and I will reply back to you. And if you like the content that you're watching, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on those post notification bells so you'll be notified every time I upload a video up here on this YouTube channel. And I need everyone to smash that thumbs up button. Hit that like button. The like button helps the channel grow, and YouTube sees that as a way to promote the video and get it out to more people on YouTube. Today we're going to take a look at a sneaker, and it's not a lot of hype behind it, but me personally, I really like the sneaker, and it has crazy details. It deals with foreign culture and afterlife and all that type of stuff, and it has a lot of bright and vibrant colors, and it's a comfortable sneaker. And let me stop rambling and let's get into the sneaker. Yes, let's grab the box. Yes, I cheated. I took all my personal information off. But if you're looking at the box, this is the box that it was shipped in. It has some type of symbols and letters. And it also has this on here with the shoe size. And there's more of this on the other side. This is just in the box it was shipped in. If you're looking at this and you recognize something, yes, this is something dealing with Egyptian culture. Let's go ahead and open the box. My goodness, this is very detailed. OMG. Let's go ahead and take it out. Enough with the stalling. Stop stalling me, fat boy. This is the bottom of the box, guys. Y'all a good look at that box. I mean, comment below. Let me know what y'all think in here. And look at the top of the box. Okay, enough for this suspense. This is a very durable box. Gonna go ahead and turn it around. Yes, recognize this? This is the Concepts logo. This is a collab with the brand Concepts. Go ahead and sit this here. Comes with standard white tissue paper. Yes, we have the Concepts and Kyrie collaboration. Look at this sneaker. Look at the details. Make sure you guys pay attention to the V-roll, because I don't want you to miss any of these details. There's a lot of details. I'm going to cover a few of the details, but not all of them. What's in the box? Got this sticker in the box. Actually have a couple of them. Came in the box. Sit there here. And there's more to the box. Look at the inside of the box. They put some time into this box, and it's not a flimsy box either. Go ahead and put this tissue back in here. Yes, guys, we have the Kyrie 7 Concept collab, the Horus and Feather of Maat. Let's get into it. have the Concepts Nike Kyrie 7 collab. This is the Horus and Feather of Maat. And that's spelled M-A-A-T. You got this turquoise and this blue on your upper. This is associated with the pottery of the Egyptians. When they would do their thing with the pottery, it would turn these colors, the bluish, the turquoise color. You have the swoosh here is in this gold feathers. This is the feather of Maat. This is what that represents. You have the ankh here. The ankh here represents life. And you have the lotus flower right here. There's a lot going on with this sneaker. You can see this little red eyelid right here. Here on the midsole, you have this color orange and this burnt orange. This represents the desert sand. When the sun starts to go down, that's the color that the sand turns over there in Egypt. And you also have this translucent part right here that says zoom. Look at the outsole, Kyrie's logo, and like I said, this color represents the desert sand over there. And if you look closely, you can see 48.5. That's the size of this sneaker, which is a 14 in US sizing. On the heel of the sneaker, you got the Concepts wording stitched on. And it's like a burnt orange or orange colorway. And you have some more things on the heel that's from the Egyptian culture. And it reads down here at the bottom, his legacy is going to live on forever. Yes, looking at the medial side of the sneaker, right here, look, there's a symbol here. There's the shin right here. And then right here is another Egyptian symbol, almost looks like a pyramid. But you have the turquoise. All your blue is on your upper, and you have another symbol here, which is on the box top as well. And you can see the Nike swoosh right here in gold. And you still have that burnt orange and orange midsole. Looking at your toe box, you also have this eye right here that you see on a lot of other Kyries. I believe this on the Kyries SpongeBob pack as well. I remember seeing this eye. Yes, and then you have more of the turquoise on the tongue, and the tongue changes color. It changes to this blue, and you have the Concepts logo. You have the blue oval laces on here, and you also have red laces that it comes with. Gonna get inside here. Comes stuffed with tissue. And you see we have this pattern design on here with the checkered board, and it's a satin material. And you can see that insole, black insole, and you have the Concepts logo inside here. Yes, you see your sizing tag here. It says US size 14. Production date July 15th to December 24th of last year. That is your production date of these. If you guys like these, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the sneaker. These sneakers are set to release this coming week on the Sneakers app. I got an early pair from Concepts with the dope box. Not sure if this the box you're gonna get if you purchase from the Sneakers app. Not sure, but let me know what you think about it. And I'm about to get out of here, but before I go, like I always tell y'all, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help them get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need help getting the sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack. I'm signing out.